Namaste. Now we are going to watch a special feature that is being followed in southern portion of India, which is called as Golu, in which the dolls are all arranged in a very sequential order with a particular sequence. This attracts lots of people to their house, and this is one of the important point in which the people in the girls in the house will be who are yet to be married, who are able to be married, will be witnessed by other members of the society so that they can get married also. But this is not the only feature. In addition to that one, these dolls and other things are manufactured or prepared by the potters and other things who also will earn their living in for their own livelihood. So thus there are various reasons in celebrating this Golu during the Navaratri festival in southern portion of India. Now we can go through step by step all these things. These steps vary from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 like that. Most of them are in odd numbers. This is a important point to be noted. In the first step and the second step, Devi Devatas will be given importance. The dolls of such important Devi Devatas will be occupying some of these first three steps. In the first step, you can see Parvati Devi on both sides, followed with Saraswati and Lakshmi Devi. Similarly, the Pillayar or the Ganeshji is adorning on the extreme side on one, on the left side it will be Lord Krishna. In addition to that one, the Vishnu temple with Vishnu is also being seen. In the next step, we see Ashtalakshmis. In front of Ashtalakshmi, we can see Dasha Avatar. In the next step, we can see Ram, Lakshman, Sita, and Hanuman. Next, it will be Parvati Devi. Apart from that one, Muruga, Lord Muruga with Valli and Devayana. You can see in the middle, followed by Parvati again. In the last one is very, very important, in which Lakshmi, Saraswati and Parvati, all the three of them, they give boon to some people and they change their lifestyle, in which a woodcutter become a big pandit as the boon was bestowed upon by Saraswati. Similarly, a poor cowherd becomes very rich person in the society by the blessings of goddess Lakshmi. While the third one is again a coward, has become a Senapati of the kingdom with the blessings of goddess Parvati. So this is one of the most important feature in this particular step. In the next step, we can see, now we can also see in the next step as Vishnu is on a Garuda Seva. Vishnu is on Garuda Seva. He is taken through the streets like a Bharat like thing. It is Palki Seva like that we can call it as. See, you can all see all the people are offering their pranamams to Lord, and the Swamiji is also leading the procession. Along with this one, when the person who is announcing the arrival of this one by sitting on a horse, and also on the other side with an elephant. So this is also an exact happening in most of the Vishnu temples that is being depicted over here, and it will be called as Garuda Seva in the Vishnu temples. Now we will come to the next step on this side, where Shabarimala Ayyappa, you can have a look at it. The 18 steps is being featured over here, and all those people who are supposed to visit the temple performing the pujas and other things during the period before reaching that stage. Next, it is Vishnu is on Vaikunta, is followed by his all the Garuda, Sukha, and other important people. Next, you can see Shivaji, Maharaj, Bharatiyar, then Raghavendra Swami, who is from nearer to Mantralayam. It is nearer to Raichur, a place called Mantralayam. Below that one you can see Shankaracharya, Buddha, Sai Baba, Thiruvalluvar, and also Gandhi. Now in the next step, a lady to be married, a bride, is being taken in a vehicle in a procession, which was also having all those people with instruments and other thing, and they carry all the gifts articles that are to be given to the girl by the girl side. In the next step, a marriage is solemnized in the middle with the Panditji sitting and chanting mantras and other thing. The parents of both lady and the boy are on either side of this mantap, and the musical instruments is being played by the Nadaswaram. We call it as Nadaswaram. This Nadaswaram is played by a team of people. And this is the Bharatanatyam doll. It's a special feature which all the parts are easily movable. So that is a special feature in this one. And below that one, a businessman, we can call it as a baniya also, is selling fruits, vegetables, and also this cutlery and kirana dukan or the groceries. So these are all the important points. We have got limited space to have all these things. We can give more and more such expositions rather, to attract the importance of this festival. Thank you so much.